This is gonna be a quick technique correction video for the dumbbell push press. Oftentimes I will program for my clients push presses on their own, but a complex of strict presses combined immediately without putting the weights down to a push press, and then sometimes to a jerk. But I'm only gonna talk about primarily the push press. Now the difference between the two is a strict press is strict. That means you are not using your legs. A push press is you are using your legs to get the weight overhead. Probably about 50 to 60% or more leg action with the push press. Now why this is a neat combo of those two exercises is you can basically tire yourself out with your arms, getting close to failure with the strict press, switch to a push press and still work the arms, but you're getting the weight overhead primarily through your legs. Now, if you're brand new to push presses, this simply will not work because a lot of people just don't do push presses correctly. So I'm gonna first show you what I want it to look like. Then I'm gonna show you one or two common faults that I see with the push press. Okay, you've got your weight on your shoulders. You wanna try to keep your chest fairly upright as you go down. The push press should be a somewhat fast, tiny little squat where you go down and up quick. And sometimes you even finish on your toes. It looks like this. Okay, the reason why this works is it's using the stretch reflex in the muscles, very similar to a jump. And therefore, you're able to do a push press even if your arms are very tired. The most common mistake I see is an extremely basically slow motion push press that looks something like this. Oftentimes people are like moving around to get into position, and I see people starting with bent legs like this. Then they go down, and then they push, and you see the struggle because it's probably 30-40% legs and still mostly arms. Again, this is what I see. Sometimes a full squat. And then finally a lockout. Okay, so to be clear, when you're setting up for any press, I want the legs fairly straight. I say the same thing with the squat. I see people unrack a bar and they step back and they're just maintaining the static squat position. No, I want your legs fairly straight. It doesn't have to be locked out, but fairly straight up until you initiate the action for a bent leg position to go down and up quick, okay? So as a reminder, this is what I'm looking for. You get set, legs are straight, they're not locked out right now, then I'm gonna go. Okay, hopefully that's clear. If you're not able to do a push press set right after strict presses because your arms are worn out, you're probably not using your legs enough. A push press should be mostly legs, and a strict press should be no legs. That needs to be down and up quick. All right, hope this video is helpful and you can work on those push presses. See you next time.